The ModMed Innovation Center for Excellence is an immersive, role-play product demonstration that gives you a twofold experience. You get to watch scenarios play out, while also seeing how easily users navigate our intuitively designed products. Get a bird's-eye view of each person's screen from wall-mounted monitors in every room. Our solutions engineers, many of whom have worked with ModMed in private practices, draw on personal experience to play the various roles. See patients check into their appointments from home. The front desk staff screen as they greet patients by name. The improved communication between physicians and staff. Providers and patients communicating face-to-face. Even functionalities like speech-to-text on the iPad screen. Want additional scenes? We can include settings for scheduling done by the surgical coordinator, billing, checkout, and setting up payment plans. You can even see how easily doctors can remotely access patient charts from home. During the demo, you're encouraged to ask questions and raise what-if scenarios that your practice faces that we can play out in real time. The Innovation Center is your chance to meet the dedicated modernizers who support your success behind the scenes. So come experience this immersive, one-of-a-kind setup at our headquarters in sunny Boca Raton. See you there!